The light, as you can see. Turn it off. All right, today we're gonna bring a large solar light. If you guys can see, it has a sensor here. It's built in the system. There's no dome at all. Power off and on button. Very easy to install. So it already comes pre-set up already. So all you got to do is release the actual system and then put this in here. So I left it over 24 hours just to charge ahead of time, and we're gonna put it together. And plenty of LED lights. It's been out sitting in the sun for 2 or 3 days already. That's why I got the label disconnected already. We're gonna set this up today in one of our backyards here, and you're gonna see how bright it is right now. By night it completely gets dark in here. So we're gonna set this up in our main area here. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you guys can see, this is my backyard. There's no light here, so I got to put it high so it could illuminate here, this whole entire area. Kids like to hang out here at night. We put a little bonfire and stuff like that. All right, one important tip: if you want to know the actual sizes of it, instead of using a pencil or pan, you can always use the backing that came with it for the pole. You could use this as a template, which I always do. Just mark it up and go in there, drill your hole, and you should be good. All right, we mount it up. We're gonna light up the backyard. You're gonna see how bright this thing is. So let's come back at night. It actually illuminates the whole entire area. Look at that. You can see the entire area with one large light. And it's raining right now, so weather's bad right now. It's cloudy, and if I turn it off, look how far am I? Turn it off. Completely off. Plenty of lumens. You guys can see that. Plenty of lumens. Completely darkness here. Very simple. I'm gonna step back so you guys can see. This light is a lot more powerful than some other lights. In fact, I'm gonna show you guys. I have another light that's side by side with this, and I'm gonna turn it on. Look at that one. Look how strong that one is compared to that one. In fact, I'm gonna turn this one off. Look at this one. It only illuminates this much, and the other one illuminates a lot more. Look at that. And now look at that, how much you can illuminate. And I'm gonna turn off the other one. So turning off the other one, look at that. Look how much powerful it is compared to the little one. Double, 3 times more light. 3 times more light. Let's turn it off again. So like I said, the little one illuminates a little bit, just a little area. I'm gonna put it on again. So this is how much it illuminates. Just this area, if you guys can see that. So I'm gonna turn it off, and now we're gonna turn on the other one so you guys can see it. Turn it on. Look at now how much it does. All the entire area here, the entire backyard. Very simple to use, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.